Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Stash for fractional stock purchase alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open the Stash app on your device. Log into your Stash account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the menu icon, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the menu icon to open the main navigation panel. Scroll down to find the Alerts section. Select Alerts to access your alert settings. Here, look for the option labeled Fractional Stock Alerts. Tap on Fractional Stock Alerts to enable notifications. You will see a list of stocks available for fractional purchases. Choose the stocks you want to receive alerts for. Once selected, toggle the switch to enable alerts for each stock. Next, customize your alert preferences. You can select the type of alerts you want, such as price drops or new fractional opportunities. Review your selections to ensure everything is set up as desired. After confirming your choices, tap the Save button at the bottom. You will now start receiving alerts for your selected fractional stock purchases. Check back regularly to modify your preferences if needed. That completes your setup for fractional stock purchase alerts on Stash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.